Welcome to the second part of this video. So in the first part we spoke about what NFTs are, what are its advantages and how are they different from cryptocurrencies. So moving on from that, seeing its value, many social media influencers like Gary Vee say it is the future of art and collectibles. Change is the only constant and this phrase definitely applies to this industry. After seeing how NFTs has taken the world by storm and the rapidity by which NFTs are becoming popular, saying that this is the future of art and collectibles won't be a very wrong assumption. With the coming of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology through which NFTs operate, we can safely conclude that NFTs are here to stay.
NFTs, please. The UFC launches.
Now is Roger Dickerman. He's the CEO of the NFT marketplace.
The NFT market is holding up quite well right now.
So moving on, let's see how NFTs can be used as an investment and how sky is the limit in terms of making money from it. So in today's day and age, NFTs have a huge fan base and is therefore considered as a good investment. Most individuals and companies are making their money in the current NFT gold rush through digital works of art, licensed collectibles and NFT video games. NFTs can be converted into a marketable business in the following. The NFT creators can receive passive income even after selling their creations to collectors. With this, they can earn a share of the sales price of the NFTs in question indefinitely. The process is known as NFT loyalties. There are several collections like the Bored Ape Yacht Club collection of NFTs that have turned a few $100 into hundreds, thousands and millions of dollars. However, it is equally important to identify the right project as many projects don't really take off and are worth very little. Quality projects should be identified and invested in at an early stage with a long-term vision in mind. Even though the risk is higher, just collecting NFTs and investing in them is a sign of pride and can be done by anyone. Now as to making money from them. One can make money from NFTs in two main ways. Number one, by creating NFTs. You can either create unique pieces of digital art or brands can license their products or something which already exists in the physical form as a digital image, essentially making an NFT. After creating one, you can either hold it as an asset or sell it. Now number two, trading of NFTs. Much like assets like stocks or paintings, one can buy and sell NFTs. Due to their increased hype recently, the majority of NFTs launch at a price under $1,000 but appreciate extremely quickly to hundreds of thousands, making NFT trading a high risk reward business. With high risk comes legal issues, so let's take a look into the legal issues that come along. Now NFTs at the moment are not specifically regulated. Nevertheless, existing laws and regulations will apply. And there are several commercial and legal issues that any business issuing, trading or exchanging NFTs will need to consider. Number 1. Data security and ESG. It is unlikely that the sale of NFTs will involve the disclosure or exchange of significant personal data, so compliance with privacy laws will not be a material consideration. However, the security of data and NFT transactions more broadly will be paramount. Technical terms will need to be considered with security and data sharing standards and which blockchain technology or protocol, most commonly Ethereum, will be deployed. Number 2. Contractual. Now issuers often engage a third-party technology provider to mint NFTs. The minting agreement will need to define clearly the scope of the provider's responsibilities as well as assurances that IPR and confidential information will be adequately protected, particularly as NFT projects can be commercially sensitive. Now finally, to conclude, considering these legal issues, NFTs are still a hot topic in today's world. One question that every budding entrepreneur has right now is what is the future of NFTs and what the future holds for NFT lovers. NFTs create new ownership opportunities and remix old ones. NFT or non-fungible token is a buzzy term that many of us have heard for the first time in 2021. A new way to determine ownership of digital property using a blockchain ledger, NFTs are increasingly popular in the art and collectible scenes. Because of this, in the near future, they can be highly useful. Thank you for watching and please like this video if you enjoyed hearing it. Subscribe to Team Negotium for more such videos.